What are you?
Molly! Molly!
Apparently, we were in the nest of a goshawk. The father goshawk had left to go hunting for his little babies.
I'm gonna get you!
The father was eyeing the red squirrel.
Watch out! Oh no!
Beep, 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 beep.
Now, the father thinks I'm one of his baby chicks.
I see. Well, we have to get out of here fast. But we're so high up. How will we escape?
Take cover!
Beep, 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 Papa. Oh.
Eat up, little ones.
Beep, beep, Papa, Papa, Papa. Yum, me want more.
How embarrassing.
Hold on! I'm coming to rescue you!
Holy cow! This is scary!
I'm coming, Papa!
Hey, Pete, Molly, where did those guys go? Oh, he's going hunting again. I'll hitch a ride. Yup! Yup!
Oh boy, I'm tired.
Oh, Papa's not here!
He's not? Look, up there! Baba! A cicada. Cicadas have wings, so it can't be him. Oh, Baba, bring me down again. Hold on a sec. The cicada may have wings, but its body looks a lot like the shell. Its legs look similar too. Even its face. It can't be the cicada? Hey, did you come out of this shell?
Yeah, I did.
You did? Whoa! So it was the cicada.
Who knew cicadas shed their skins?
Oh, wow, how interesting.
Apparently, the insect was a cicada. A Korean blockish cicada, to be exact. We decided to stake out the tree in order to see how the Korean blockish cicada shed its skin.
Oh, look at that!
They spend about 6 years underground as nymphs before they come out.
Whoa, there are so many of them!
Mommy!
Huh? All the cicada nymphs are climbing up the tree. The cicada nymphs that climbed the tree began shedding their skins. It took them a few hours. Then they finally emerged as adult Korean blockish cicadas.
It's windy bindy. Oh yeah, a lot of the ice is melting, so be careful.
Knock it off! We have to start investigating.
Pete!
The ice is breaking off!
Oh, thank goodness. We were about to be iced.
Coco, I never thought I'd be so glad to see you. Now, let's go investigate. Have you seen a polar bear? No, I haven't.
Hey, have you seen a polar bear?
Sorry, I haven't. Why aren't there any polar bears around?
Hey, Pete! Remember how the ice split and broke off? Maybe the polar bears got scared and just left. No, I don't think that would make them go somewhere else.
There must be another reason. I wonder what it could be. Let's go follow them. Hey, have you seen any polar bears?
You're barking up the wrong antlers to ask us about polar bears.
Why?
Because polar bears like to catch and eat us.
I see, sorry. But, where are you guys going right now?
We're migrating to find food. There's nothing left for us to eat here.
Oh, really?
Hey, guys. He just said that polar bears eat reindeer, right? So if all the reindeer move away, what will the polar bears eat?
I guess they would either have to follow the reindeer or go find something else that they could eat.
Polar bears are really big, so they must need to eat a lot. I haven't seen anything here that would fill their tummies.
Maybe. The situation is much more serious than we thought. If they have nothing to eat, then the polar bears could all die. Coco, we have no time to lose. Let's hurry and go find food for the polar bears.
She's covered in big, hard scales and has thick fur, too. Her front legs are short and chubby, but they're really hard. Her toes are shaped like long hooks, so she's great at climbing up trees. She can't see very well, but she's really good at finding food by its smell. I think I'd take after her sense of smell. And when my mom feels like she's in danger, she rolls her body into a ball. Her scales are as hard as armor, so they act as a shield.
All right. So you're saying this is what your mom looks like, right?
She looks exactly like gold.
That's right! That's my mom!
All right. Now it's time for my nose to step up.
Can. Like Can said, we promise we'll find her.
Thank you so much!
Oh, I can smell Goshawk. Over here, too. Here, guys, this way. Goshawk passed by here. Right here. She passed by here, too. That's odd. But I can't seem to smell her by the river, though.
Then, does that mean we won't be able to find her?
Can!
Wait, isn't that...
It's a scale from
Maybe
Goshawk.
Gull's mother went into the river.
And maybe that's how she lost her scale.
Can!
It's not like I can turn back time and check.
Hey, Zizi, why don't we use the Eagle Eyes time playback device?
All right, here I go. Time playback device starting up. Oh, it's Gold's mother.
Gull, honey, where are you? Little Gull!
I knew it! She went inside the river to go look for gold.
I got you.
Let me go!
Oh, no.
No! What do we do? Someone took Gul's mommy!
Mom, please hurry back. I miss you.
Little Goal, wait just a little longer. We will find your mom and bring her back.
Is this where it is? Where Gul's mom was brought?
Oh, there she is!
By any chance, are you little Gul's mother?
Gul? My little Gul? Do you know my little Gul? Where is he right now? He's okay, right? He's not hurt, is he?
Yay! She's Gul's mom, all right. No doubt about it.
We found her!
Let's get out of here. Come on, we'll help you.
We will!
But how?
We'll dig an underground tunnel and get out of here. Rhino Crane, switching to the underground tunnel mode.
That's the Rhino Crane for you!
Molly!
Sorry, my tummy's upset.
Anyway, the water seemed clean and problem-free.
But not anymore. Molly's fart probably polluted it.
Huh? That's it. Maybe someone is polluting the water like Molly. And that's why the fish are jumping out of it.
Into the water again we go.
You can stay out here, Molly. What happened?
The fish just disappeared.
Where is it?
Where did it go?
Molly, did you see something come out of the water just now?
No, I didn't. I was busy going number 2.
It just came out of the water, so it must be somewhere around here.
You're right. It's somewhere close by. Yuck! What is this awful smell?
Oh, that would be my doo-doo. Sorry. In this area, there's a frog, a turtle, and a bird.
Oh, nice work.
Out of these guys, the ones that like to go underwater are the frog, the turtle.
Naturally, the bird doesn't like water.
That's it. Fish didn't come on land because there was something wrong with the water. The fish were out of the water because a frog or a turtle had put them there after catching them.
I don't hunt fish, Ribbit.
Yeah, dude, I hunt fish.
The turtle seemed like our guy, and I thought the case was closed. But something wasn't right. The culprit was super fast before.
Dude, this is the fastest I go. I can only catch fish that are already dead or really slow. It's too fast. I can't keep up.
The frog and the turtle can be eliminated. So then, that leaves us with... It couldn't be the bird, could it?
Aw, there's no way.
No way!
The mystery is solved.